You have never tested your logo, not once. You paid for it, you approved it, but you never know what this logo is telling about you. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a test you can approve to your logo, so you can know what this logo telling strangers about you. It costs nothing. But first, let's see what KFC brand done with their logo, and this is going to explain everything about this test. If you are new here, my name is Melad. I'm a brand identity designer. Who diagnoses brand? You know KFC packet from far away from street. You know it. You don't need to read the name. You just see it. You know the taste of it. Logo is a visual handshake between two people, and KFC visual handshake is really strong. Is the most strong one in the world. But something really strange happened to KFC at 2025. Last year, they lost about 5% of their USA sales. Also, they dropped out from the top 20 company and food chain in American top food chain. So a brand this famous and have amazing visual handshake, why they lost? This is really the question that matters for you. They didn't answer this problem with going for a designer. They asked about how this happening with a diagnosis. Their own marketing chief said it its own way. Strategy first, brand second. So they hired GKR studio. They looked at the reason why they are losing, and they found it. Their famous part in the branding are gone quiet, and the new generation is looking at the KFC logo and feel nothing. The handshake is still there, but it says nothing to the new generation. I was a pharmacist, and in the pharmacy, you never give a patient a medicine before you diagnose the problem. After you done the diagnosis, you give the prescription. This is what really GKR Studio done with KFC branding. So let's see what they done with the new logo, what they prescribed it. The letters K, F, and C moved to sit around the clonal. Now the whole logo reads as a packet. Read that again. They turned their logo into the shape people already recognize from across the street. They didn't replace the handshake, they made it grip harder. In their own words, they added nothing new. They turned up what they already own. Red, white, black, all kept. The colonel kept, but just made it clearer. That is a prescription. It came last, after the diagnosis. Always after the diagnosis. So the handshake loses in two ways. First, it says nothing. The prospect sees the logo and feel nothing, and it didn't tell any story about your brand. So you started the conversation from zero. The second reason is really worse than the first one. It tells you about your category, like you are a generic in the field. So people can't recognize if you are really important or no, you are strong or no. So they are giving you a category. So they decide about working with you on pricing only. So here is the test. It only takes 5 minutes. Take your logo, just logo, no website, no name, just the plain logo, and send it to 5 people in your market who is going to buy from your market, not your friends, not your teammates. No, we need prospects. We need your clients, your audience, and ask one question. What do you think this company is doing? And what this logo telling you? So read their comments, and if they are saying and prescribe what you actually do and what is your brand, your handshake is really winning, and keep it, no change. If they just prescribe generic category, or like you are like for a restaurant owner, don't know what is it, you are losing, and your logo doesn't tell your story. You need to rebrand your logo, one image, one question. And most founders don't do that. And the most honest way to know that you are really doing good in the market. If it is not saying the right thing about your brand, don't go directly to a designer and create a logo. This is prescription, not diagnosis. You need someone to diagnose your brand and your logo, why it lose. Even if your product is really amazing and other competitors with worse product is winning against you. Now that you understand what KFC has done with their logo, it's your time. You need to know the power of the logo. Logo is a visual handshake. It tells your story to people who never met you yet. That's all for now. See you in next one.